So boom. So I made this real quick. Y'all didn't get to see it, but it kind of bust open a little bit. But I'm about to cut it anyway, so it doesn't matter. Watch this. So you're gonna use a Pyrex dish. Place it in the Pyrex dish. You got some oil in there. Put some olive oil. Right. So the next move is we're gonna roll that in the olive oil real quick. All right. Then we're gonna make some slices like this. So I see them doing, oh man, I'm messing it up. All the things is coming out of it. Make sure that all the things coming out. I wanted to do it different instead of cutting it after it's hot. I wanted to cut it before and then do like this. Actually, just put them like this. Make them like cook like rolls like this. Some do that one to cook like that, but it just bakes individually. That's it. You don't let that just bubble like that. Probably put this to the side like that. Let it all cook on the side like this. So that is it. All right. Come on, man.